Welcome to the fourth lecture series, where brief refractory testing procedure and their importance will be discussed from the perspective of refractory development and failure assessment. This series is essentially interlinked with lecture series 1, 2 and 3. Among several standard techniques, the American Society for Testing and Materials will discuss and highlight how and why such exercises are essential for the refractory industry. A list of physical, mechanical, thermal, thermomechanical and corrosion properties is listed to complete the lecture series. Relevant and interlinked data provide the best combination to understand the refractory quality and performance of the same. So, all properties are interlinked to each other. Mechanical, thermal properties. And all. Please follow lectures 4 to 9 in lecture series 1 for more details. Why should we follow standard testing protocols? The guideline requires the tester to consider the real world application and the material's operating environment when analyzing results. So, we will discuss 12 different techniques through ASTM standard protocols, and we will try to analyze the data in the perspective of refractory development and failure assessment. Best of luck and thank you for your patience.